Hi everyone. I thought I'd show you all, for those of you who don't know, how to actually draw a perfect triangle. Or if you want to get really technical, you can call it an equilateral triangle. So basically, what you need a line where you want the base of the triangle to be. Okay. There are just drawn a line on there for you. And then you get your compass and you put the point in one end of your line. Then you stretch your compass out until it reaches the other end of your triangle. Can you see that? With my hand out the way so you can see. Okay? And then what you do is you swing up and you make a line at the top. Keep your compass at the same point, set to the same thing, but just in case, you can always double check it. See, it's still the same length from one end to the other. Then you stretch up and you do another arc movement until you've got a point there where both of your lines join. Then you get a compass, a ruler, got compass on the brain, and you join up from where the lines cross to one end of your line, and then you get a ruler and you draw from, again, that centre point where the lines crossed to the other end of your line. Then you get a rubber, your razor, whatever you want to call it, and you just rub out your extra lines. And then, my friends, is your perfect triangle. Now, wasn't that easy? I hope that one of you have found this helpful and that you'll have lots of fun creating many, many more in the future.